So you're interested in the all-new Sea Ray 230 SDX outboard. My name is Devin. I am here at MarineMax of Norwalk, and I'm going to walk you through this all-new redesigned 230 SDX outboard. Starting in the back of the boat, this boat is outfitted with a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat is really well equipped. We have the sea deck all throughout on the swim platform. That is a safety feature, so you can jump into the water, climb back on, and not have to worry about possibly slipping on some raw fiberglass. On the back side here, we have this nice large sun lounger. The sun lounger also has dedicated charging so that you can keep your phones charged and play music all day long. We also have this awesome new feature here that Sea Ray equipped this boat with, all of its SDXs with. Drops right down, so if you are trying to get comfortable on that sun pad back there during the day, you don't have to worry about a kinked neck. You're coming back into the cockpit and you want a forward-facing bench, flip it right back up, and now you have your traditional bench. We have in-deck storage in your starboard side walkthrough there. Another nice thing is that we also have a fully self-bailing cockpit here. We have a ton of drains through this back bulkhead, making sure that any water that does come in, rain, swimming, goes right back out, not into your bilge. Synonymous with Sea Ray, we have an incredible seating layout in the cockpit. We have this large L-shaped seater back here, giving you that living room feel. But what you also get with this new SDX is a little bit of mobility where you can flip over your backrests and face each other. Captain does as well. Now, if you're at anchor, if you're at the dock, everybody can be hanging out together. This 230 SDX is outfitted with our classic bimini. So if shade is important to you, the bimini will give you a little bit more shade than the water sports tower would. We have seating all around. We also have storage underneath all of this seating as well. So flip it on up, and you have a massive amount of storage in there. Right now, it's using all of our cover poles, our filler cushions. You would be able to fit all of your covers in here when you go out on the water. Behind the seat, you have textured storage for your electronics, cup holders, and then USBs to keep charged. Another thing that I like about the seating aspects up here for both the captain and the co-pilot, if you have these in the forward-facing position, you also have flip-up bolsters. So if you do want to get that eye level raised, flip up the bolsters and you get a little bit better of a vantage point. On our starboard console here, we have the captain's utilities. So we have the 9-inch Simrad. This has auto routing, fish finder. We have trim tabs on this as well. And then you really can't go without it nowadays, but we also have electronic throttle. That makes docking a breeze, but it also gives you active trim. The boat will automatically trim out your outboard to give you the best performance and the best efficiencies. What makes this redesign is the off-center walkthrough to the bow. Not only does it give you a massive head compartment, as you can see here, with plenty of storage, more USBs, but it also makes this nice over here. So you have your port side stereo controls, so your co-pilot can actually control most of the music. Don't worry, Captain, you can still control the music from the Simrad if you want. We have dedicated glove box on the top, and then we have dedicated storage as well, which will house your cockpit and bow table as well as your gooseneck. But check out the bow seating. The bow seating is what's going to get the biggest increase in space. So come on up. So you still have the wraparound seating up here in the bow, but what you do get is an extra forward-facing seat. With both the consoles staying the same size, you'll only have 2 forward-facing seats on any bow rider. On the Sea Ray 23 SDX, you get a chase lounge here, a chase lounge there, and then another forward-facing seat here. This actually maximizes the amount of usability and seating space in the bow. You also have extra USBs up here, extra cup holders as well, and Sea Ray is going to bring the padding and the upholstery all the way up the sides of the gunnels here so that when you are up here, your back, your sides aren't getting bruised or fatigued throughout the day. We also have access to our anchor locker up forward here. And again, all of these seats up forward have dedicated storage underneath the seat bottoms. If you have any questions about the Sea Ray 23 SDX outboard, don't hesitate to give us a call. And we look forward to seeing you out on the water.